Welcome, compadres. So, have I done that before? I don't know. So, today, at my memory card, as always, we are going to do another final video on Frank. This is a recap of everything, all the videos condensed into one. So, we're going to be remembering Frank, give you some Frank information, our best moments or bloopers, or all the stuff that happened to us along the way, or some of the things that happened to us along the way. We're going to answer some comments about Frank, and Frank gets some bling. We're going to talk about that, and that's it, I think, right? What else are we doing? Nothing. Mac's shaking his head. Okay, we're good. All right. Let's get a little R&R. So Frank was found in a field, or no, he brought to a field. I bought him at a car show swap meet that I go to all the time, once a month. He was in a field since '97. We bought him in 2023, and in 2024, we decided we were going to fix Frank. Frank was supposed to be a parts car for a couple other Camaros I had going, and then I got the idea to fix Frank, so that's what we did. It was interesting. It should have been cut apart, but like I said, it was a 4-speed car, T-tops, real Z28 car, matching numbers, so I said, you know what? I'll just make him drivable, and that's what we did. So, I bought Frank for $1,200. Frank is the Camaro Z28 in the last video. $200 to tow him, $50 for a steering wheel, about $130 in sheet metal. My tires in the rear were $100. I had some other supplies for $30, some bushings I had for $40. My washers were $30 to fix the frame. Brake parts were about $280. Brake lines another $30. The rubber brake lines were about $45. Some other sheet metal for the outside was $300. My door latch, $20. Battery was $156. The front tires were $100. The clutch was $250. My exhaust, well, that was free. I guess I could add that in. $500 worth of exhaust. Master cylinder was another $50. More brake stuff I had to buy was $40. Bought a taillight for $10. Some fluids for $20. So all that came to about $3,700. Did I say it at the end again? $3,700. And if you include the labor, $7 grand. If I had to pay everybody to help me. But $3,500, $3,700, that's what I have into Frank. Start to finish, not too bad. I would say go buy a car for $3,700. It looks a lot better than Frank. But I think Frank's cool, and now I like him. Now he's done. Everything's new. All right, so that's it for that. Here are some things that happened to us along the way. So this happened. Uh-oh, I got smoke. Then this happened. That doesn't look promising. Not sure what that is. Oh boy. Oh, that doesn't help. Oh my God. Either I forgot to put it on. I'm an idiot. Oh my word. That's not good, you stupid idiot. I did this stupid thing. Frickin'. Oh, don't forget about this. This happened to us too. Another casualty. Tried to snug it, it broke right off. Fun. Then this happened. So when we first got Frank in, could not get the passenger door open to save our lives. Couldn't get it. We're kicking it, we're pulling it. Finally I said, oh, I know what I'll do. I got my handy dandy trusty torch. And I said, I'll get this thing open. We'll heat everything up so that something moves, because the latch was stuck shut. So this is us trying to get the door open. Eventually, that's where all this smoke is from. I didn't sell any calendars. I tried to do all these calendars. I have like 5,000 calendars. I haven't sold one yet, and I don't know why. All these great pictures of me on the calendar with Frank, and I didn't sell a single one. The parts I was going to give away for free, just pay for shipping. Just pay for shipping. We will send these to you free. And we have a piece of rug, and this, the piece de resistance, the one bolt in the front radiator support that was holding Frank together. And we have a piece of rug, carpet if you'd like, and I'm not sending that whole thing. That's too much money. I still have those. No one wanted them. I don't know why. But all the finds we found in Frank, like Max was all excited about finding. Oh, what was that? Murder mysteries?
Nursery rhyme murder.
Nursery rhyme murders?
Oh boy, that doesn't sound good.
It's kind of cool. It's like a time capsule. You know?
Speaking of that, ooh, stay tuned for the upcoming Halloween episode, the end of October. So thank you for your comment, bad boy 2451. Yes, Frank was a New Hampshire car, and you may have seen it before. So he's been in the field for a long time. So glad you commented on that. Shooter McGavin 2 said blurring the plate is pointless. Yeah, well, you like to blur plates just in case if it's on somebody else's car. If it's on my car, I guess I don't care. It's just something we started doing, and then we're like, whatever. We stopped doing it on some stuff. But yeah, we're gonna blur plates. You know what we might do? We might blur. Hey, maybe we'll blur your comment. No. Edward Van Comp said we're gonna keep the videos coming. So here's another video, the last video on Frank. Big compilation video. So we're giving that to you. And somebody, Enos 711 made subscriber 50. He said, keep going, man. We're going to keep going. A little bit more, Frank. I think we're up to 306 now. What else? I don't even know how to say this. Predatorial. Fighting unwinnable battles, I see. And he's smiling. We won. He's fixed. He's inspected. He's registered. He's on the road. So we won. We won that battle, okay? Predatorial. I don't know how to say that. Richard. I don't know who Richard was. The only thing keeping it together, I thought, was a traction bar that was hanging down, but I guess that was the frame rail. All right, he said, I'd love to see some other cars restored, which we're going to do. We got Sheila coming next, the Trans Am. We get some birds. That'll be in the bird video, just so you know. Yeah, I have a lot of projects going on. Way too many projects. I'll get them all done. You watch. So watch the bird episode. There's the bird. So I've talked about this before, but Keith Pepperell, 8521, must be Gen Xer. Because Max told me if you put your whole name in there, then you're an old man. So I'm an old man. Anyways, he said pretty cool build. He said good luck on the trip to New York, which we didn't make because the car, whatever. Anyways, he said I should probably cock those T-tops. Just so they probably don't fly out. Well, don't worry, I can't get the damn things off anyways. I couldn't move them. Couldn't move the frickin' things. David Gothier 82. Are you actually registered for the show? I want to find it when I get there. Well, it'll be there next year for sure. I got the sign already made. Should have stuck this over here before. Next year at Lake George, hopefully, you'll see this. How many miles is it? Oh, to Lake George, 180 miles. Says it on there. All right, that's it. A few other comments. Loco Trucker 46. Am I going to take it to Ratty Muscle Car Show? Yes, I am. I love the Ratty Muscle Car Show. Okay. There's Frank, inspired by that Camaro at Lake George. That's why I decided to fix him finally. So this is the car that actually inspired Frank. I was like, oh, that's cool. I like that. Never touched.
Do you know the story behind it?
I don't know. But it's definitely neat. See? Alright, so Frank's radio was broken, so I found this at the flea market, car show flea market. Pretty much brand new, never used. So, I'm going to put that in Frank so his cassette player will work. And now you'll know where I'm from, which you already knew anyways, but this came in the other day, so those are going on. I got a cassette player, a cassette holder thing for Frank also. They'll hold all the cassettes, old school style. All right, Frank, look what I found. Everybody's like, what is this? What is that? It's a suitcase. Why are you bringing a suitcase? Well, Gen Xers know what I have. Oh. What do we have in there? We got good stuff. You guys are like, I ain't listening to that. One more. I'll let you go. Memory card, because I can't remember SHI anything. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the Frank recap. I think it was a good freaking video. Huh? No. Anyways, so look for the Frank playlist. Like, scroll back, you'll find it. Watch them all in order. I think you'll enjoy it. They're only 10 minutes long anyways. So, next episode is for the birds. Please check that out. And let me know how bad I'm doing. Please comment. Maybe comment a little more. I get like 1 or 2 or 3 or 9, but I'd like more. So subscribe, comment, thumbs up, like, hit the bell. Very important. And like I said, next episode's for the birds. Thank you for watching. Alright guys, I promised you guys donuts. Let's do this. What'd you get me?
Well, I got myself a chocolate and sprinkles.
Sprinkles. I like sprinkles. Alright, cool. Let's do donuts.
I love donuts.
Okay.
It's fun.